Right, guys, welcome back to a trade recap. Absolutely beautiful long cut today. Counter trend long, kind of. But yeah, let's get into this, into my bias and everything. So, sure. So I'm up 2K on an Apex funded account. So I'm in a fucking beautiful position. Beautiful position. So now I just need, what is it? So I won around 2K on this trade. So yeah, I was full porting it, kinda. It's in 100K. So I think I need, what is it? I need to make another 2K basically. Yeah, so I need four more winning days and I'm going to be risking 500 from now on. So yeah, very good position. Anyways, I'm going to get into my bias. So I had a bullish bias, slightly leaning bullish today, as we had these relative equal highs. They're far away, but we were delivering from this daily gap. We had this daily gap, relative equal highs. There's an hourly or something, isn't there? Yeah. Sorry, I'm a bit sick right now. Yeah, so we tapped this 1 hour intermediate low, started going higher, inverse this 1 hour gap, and we left a 4 hour untapped with a high generated right below it. So I was bullish. And ES just looked very bullish on the high time frame. Bullish, delivering from gaps, inversing, bearish gaps. We had a bit of a unweak or sorry, bit of an unfilled new week opening gap there as well. And as you can see, I have buy side marked out here. If my shit will load. Just buy side. So I was bullish. Right, enough bias yap. Let's get into this. To the lower time frames. This is where we trade, baby. Looking at my screen over here, and it's looking like we're starting to dump now. So I kind of top tick that shit. But so this is market open. We have a 15-minute here. Got a bit of LR here. Wasn't really too worried about it because this was a protected low, in my opinion, and I think this is a stronger drawn liquidity and the unfilled 15-minute as well. So my condition coming into the day, I started using conditions recently, which has really helped me kind of psychologically just to remember my conditions. But this 1 hour, if we keep, so yeah, as you can see, market open, we're respecting this 1 hour. If we start respect, if we start inversing this, going down, I'll be bearish. If we start, if we keep respecting it, I will be bullish up to here. I don't know why it's so slow today, but bear with me. So market open. There was actually a nice 15-second long, but it happened so quick I missed it. Come on, right. Okay. So market open, we manipulate up, leave this 930 wick, come down into 15-minute, I believe. Fuck. Oh yeah, we manipulate this low, which was like an hourly low, and the 15-minute. And we come back up. I was like stuck on the 30-second time frame. This is happening a lot with my Judas swing plays. My when a Judas swing happens, I'm like stuck in a higher time frame and I miss the trade. So I don't have my like order filled up. But it would have been a break even trade anyway. So that would be your entry there. Go for that 15. And yeah, it would have been break even after this 930 high. So didn't miss anything. Didn't miss out on anything there. So we start dumping a bit. Still bullish. But this LR was something to take into account. And now I'm bearish because we're going towards this low. Okay, wait, hold on. And my light just fell. Okay. This is an absolute travesty. All right, so we edged this low. This could have been a protected low. If I was to take a short, I would want to see like a bunch of low time frame LR build up, not just like hit a 5 minute gap and then straight away inverse and take it. I'd want to see LR build up because this could have been a protected low as we were in my opinion, bullish order flow and a bullish bias, and it was a 1 hour intermediate low. So that's why I wanted an LR build up before taking it. But we actually take it. We take that low. And at this point, I'm looking for longs instead of shorts. Why? Because we left a bunch of 5 minutes unfilled. 5 minute here, 5 minute here, 5 minute here. And on the lower time frame, yeah, so we had this 30 second that I was looking to take. And I actually did take it, but I exited my so we were like up here 1 second before the candle closed. So I entered and then it just came down here. So one of my rules is if the wick is larger than the body, I won't take the trade. So that's why I exited that trade as soon as I could. So we came down again. I was like, oh fuck, I'm not gonna take this loss, am I? So I just set my TP to my entry point. I lost like 80 cent or something, but obviously it doesn't matter. So we resweep. We build up a fuck ton of LR. And at this point, I was like, ooh, longs are even looking even better. And what do? We come up, we leave a 1 minute gap, start rejecting it, reject it again. But then this candle was just next one, is it? Yeah, that candle is just pure displacement, clear indicator that we're going to be bullish, and we had all this LR intact. Went break even there at the and the yeah, I went for break even at the end of the end of the LR, which is also a 5 minute gap. 5 minute gap up here. I wanted as my TP, but we got such a bad fill because its displacement candle was so strong. My light just fell again. I'm not going to fix it, but um, yeah, I need to get some better tape for that light. But entered there. That was my fill here, and yeah, I got 18 contracts, and I wanted 2K, so I held for 55 points. Quick maths there, and yes, I was either going to hold till 2K or until ES took this high, which pretty much happened at the same time. So that was lovely, and I think we're dumping now. Not really. Kind of just got to retrace. But yeah, nice trade. Mech model, I guess, because it's targeting the unfilled. But yeah, beautiful. It's probably like a higher time frame trade presenting itself. But yeah, nice trade. There's a 15-minute rejection block trade here as well. It looks like came down into the rejection block. We hit a 15-minute first though, so wouldn't have been good. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. So I'm in a very nice position now. Up 2K on the funded. Just need to grind out like $500 winning days. That gives me 6 losses in a row, which should not happen. Or else honestly, I should just quit, man. But yeah, so 500 max I'm going to be risking. So low risk. And yeah, I'm in a great position now. This is the furthest or sorry, closest I've been to a payout. So gotta lock in, gotta keep the head. Pretty tired today, but I still perform pretty well now. I was watching McGregor, unfortunately, he fucking tore his ACL. But yeah, guys. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you want to get sign up to TradeZetta, you can use my link in the description and get 20% off. So thanks again for watching, and see you in the next one.